Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how do we delete our Instagram post on our Instagram account by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just open the Instagram application. Okay, so when we open, we will be stay in our home sections. Okay, so first thing we have to do is just go back into the our profile and choose which post or which content that we want to delete. Okay, for example, I want to delete this post, so it's quite boring, I can say. So the things we have to do when we want to delete this post is just go by click these three small dots here, and after that you can like exploring the tools here. There will be archive, hide like account, turn off commenting, edit, and many more. So to delete it, you just need to click delete with this red color for this button. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to confirm. And now this post is already deleted, so that will be not gonna appear on your profile anymore. That's all the way how to delete our content on Instagram account. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.